Guys, today tutorial, like I said, I've done the foundation review and all that. So today's tutorial, I'm going to be for the eyeshadow that I'm going to be using on this tutorial. I'm going to be using the Lhidhia Stanley eyeshadow palette with Zikel Cosmetic. This is a collaboration. If you don't know Lhidhia Stanley, I'm going to leave her Instagram at the description bar, her YouTube at the description bar. She did a collaboration with Zikel Cosmetic. This is a Nigeria brand. She's a Nigerian YouTuber. So it's good to support one of our own. I'm so proud of her. This eyeshadow palette has been with me. So I ordered mine from a UK vendor. If you want to order yours, I'll leave their link at the description bar, because this is a Nigeria brand. Like I said, if you want to order from Nigeria, you can. It was way easier to just use a UK vendor to get this. First of all, the packaging is just black with their logo and Lhidhia name on it. So, and Zikel Cosmetic. This is a couple of times. So, and this is how the palette looks like. First, let me just do my brows and we'll move on from there. So guys, to prime my lid, I'm going to use the Gerard Cosmetic eyeshadow primer. This palette, yeah, we're going to do something by using this as a transition shade. Can I take the shade called Heart Red? Oh, that's pigmented. Sorry, I use the first shade to diffuse the red down a bit. Concealer primer. I'm going to cut the crease with this. Oh my god, the fallout from this eyeshadow is insane. you are wondering, this is the shade I'm using. Where is it? This shade. Fallout. I had a lot of fallout on this side of my eyes, not so much on this side at all, not so much just this side, maybe because the way I was dipping the brush to get the pigment of the eyeshadow on this eyes, so I had a lot of fallout on this eyes. Outer line, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty eyeliner. I'm just going to take the blue, just the one on the brush already, just use this to blend the under eyes. For eyeliner and lashes, I'm going to be using this. I love this. You have the black and the clear, so yeah, and it's called Line and Lash, so I'm going to be trying the black one. Then I'm going to use it with this ILO lashes. The concept of this liner is that you just line the liner and you put your lashes on. It's liner and lash glue together, line and lash. I'm going to use two lipstick, like lipstick and lip gloss. Avon sent me this product, so the lipstick looks like this. Very cute packaging, matches my nails. It's very cute. So creamy. It's not a matte lipstick, it's very creamy. So on top of that, I'm going to go with this Givenchy lip gloss. Beautiful nude combination. So to complete this look, I'm going to apply highlighter to make me glow, like shine bright like a diamond, you understand? Shine to the moon and back. I'm going to use this highlighter by, where is this from? Ted Baker. Comes in a package like this. It's by Ted Baker. Just blend the hash line. Blend the hash line so that the devil can be ashamed. Okay guys, this is the final look on the eye makeup, and let me zoom you guys in. This is how the eyes looks like. I need to learn how to look this way. I will get used to it eventually, I think. If you have any question, any requests, I know a lot of people have been requesting me to do skincare tutorial. I'm going to have that up very soon. I'm going to film it, I promise. Let me know any video that else that you want me to review. I will have more foundation review. I'm going to review some products from Avon. A lot of products coming up soon. I'm back now. I'm going to try and upload often. Please bear with me, I beg you. There are just some days that mommy don't have time. Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Remember what I always say: be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, and do you always, and remain blessed. Bye guys.